Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Kiran Kulte Biology Academy. In this today's lecture, we are going to discuss on the important topic from the chapter Reproduction in Plants, that is a double fertilization. तो आज के लेक्चर में हम देखने वाले हैं डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन क्या होता है और डिटेल से ये पूरा प्रोसेस जानने की कोशिश करेंगे. तो डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन क्या है? So before going to start with this topic, I'll tell you double fertilization is the important characteristics of angiosperm only. Means only in angiosperm we can see double fertilization. The process in which fertilization takes place twice. Means दो टाइम क्या होता है? fertilization होता है. उसको कहा है double fertilization. Fertilization क्या है? Fusion of male and female gamete. Male and female gamete उसका जो fusion है उसको कहा है double fertilization. अभी the double fertilization which is the important characteristics of angiospermic plant where fertilization occurs two times or twice, that is called as double fertilization. Now in the previous lecture we had seen about the pollination. तो pollination में क्या होता है? After deposition, the deposition of pollen grain takes place on the stigma, and after deposition of pollen grain, now here in this picture, now here two pollen grains, that blue color structures are representing what? Pollen grain. After the deposition of pollen grain on the stigma, stigma secretes some sugary substance. Stigma क्या करता है? Stigma provide a favorable condition for the germination of pollen grain. The compactable pollen grain will get germinate on a stigma, and due to continuous endoosmosis, तो pollen grain क्या करता है? Sugary substance suck करता है. It absorbs sugary substance from the surface of stigma, and therefore the pollen grains swell. It will get swell. The swelling of pollen grain will get takes place. So therefore the intine has get come out from any one of the germ pore in the form of small outgrowth, that is called as pollen tube, and that pollen tube start growing through the stigmatic and styloid tissue towards the ovule or female gametophyte. ये जो blue line दिख रहे हैं, these are the pollen tubes those are growing through the stigmatic and styloid tissue, and they are attracted towards the female gametophyte which is present inside in the ovule. Now here some chemicals are secreted by ovule. They attract this pollen tube towards itself. Now here अभी तो हमने डेफिनेशन देखा. Now in double fertilization दो बार fertilization होता है. तो here two events are takes place. The first क्या है? syngamy, which is called as first fertilization, and second event क्या है? double fertilization और second fertilization. syngamy क्या है? fusion of male and female gamete, and double fertilization, second fertilization क्या है? fusion of second male gamete with the polar nuclei, that is called as second fertilization. We'll come back again on these two definition after at the end of this topic. Now here when these pollen tubes come close to ovule, when the pollen tube come close to ovule, now inside in the ovule, the entry of pollen tube, ये blue line क्या दिखा रहा है? Blue lines are showing pollen tube. The pollen tube enter inside in the ovule by means of three different ways. तो तीन साइड से pollen tube ovule में enter कर सकती है. If the pollen tube is entering inside in the ovule from the चलाजल end, अगर pollen tube चलाजल end से enter कर रहा है ovule में, then that process is called as chalazogamy. Sometimes pollen tube enter inside in the ovule by piercing the integument. Means pollen tube enter inside in the ovule from lateral side by piercing the integument. That is called as mesogamy. And third way क्या है? When a pollen tube enter inside in the ovule through the micropyle, then that is called as porogamy. Here I mentioned this is the third way of entry of pollen tube inside in the ovule. तो हमने इधर क्या देखा? चलाजोगैमी. अगर pollen tube चलाजल एंड से एंटर होता है ओवल में तो उसको कहेंगे चलाजोगैमी. अगर वो बीच में से इंटीगुमेंट से एंटर हो रहा है तो उसको कहेंगे मेसोगैमी. And if it is entering inside in the ovule through micropyle, then that is called as porogamy. Though the pollen tube enter inside in the ovule either from chalazal end or from the middle of ovule, then also inside in the embryo sac, ये अंदर वाला embryo sac है, this oval shaped structure which is having a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 cell 8 nucleated structure. ये जो embryo sac है फीमेल गैमेटोफाइट है. दो द पोलन ट्यूब, अगर पोलन ट्यूब इधर से भी आ रहा है नहीं तो इधर से भी आ रहा है, but inside in the embryo sac it enter always from the micropylar end. So then polar tube it has get attracted towards any one of the synergid. तो पोलन ट्यूब किसके किधर अट्रैक्ट होता है? The pollen tube will get attracted towards the any one of synergid. तो ये synergid है. तो synergid क्या करता है? Synergid attract pollen tube towards itself. तो कोई तो भी एक synergid की तरफ pollen tube खींचा चला जाता है. Now here, therefore, this synergid is also called as what? Filiform apparatus. It also acts as a filiform apparatus. So when the pollen tube has get attracted towards any one of the synergid, then it will get enter inside in the synergid. Before that, this tube nucleus it will get a disintegrate. So tube nucleus क्या होता है? Before entering inside in the synergid, the tube nucleus has get a disintegrate, and then this pollen tube has get a enter inside in the synergid. Now here ये क्या करता है? When the pollen tube has get enter inside in the synergid, synergid में खुद का साइटोप्लाज्म है, तो here also this pollen tube start absorbing water from the cytoplasm of synergid, and therefore it has get burst open. It has get burst open, and therefore the two non-motile male gametes they will get released inside in the synergid. तो ये दो नॉन मोटाइल मेल गैमेट्स किधर जाते हैं? सिनर्जिड में जाते हैं. Later on, this synergid also has get a burst open to release these two non-motile male gamete inside in the embryo sac. तो ये दो अंदर आ गए. This is the one haploid and second haploid male gamete. Now here, when the two non-motile male gametes enter inside in the embryo sac, the one male gamete will get fused with egg. तो ये क्या है? Egg cell है. That is a female gamete. So one haploid male gamete will get fused with the haploid female gamete. The fusion of one haploid male gamete with the one female gamete, that is egg, that is called as syngamy. उसको क्या कहा है? syngamy कहा है. तो egg और male gamete. So the product which has get produced due to fusion of haploid female gamete and haploid male gamete, it give rise diploid zygote. It give rise what? Diploid zygote. तो इससे क्या बनने वाला है? A diploid zygote has get produced. Later on, this diploid zygote, this single cell, later on give rise embryo. तो इससे क्या बनने वाला है? फ्यूचर में embryo बनने वाला है. Now here the second male gamete remain as it is. तो ये second male gamete इधर ऐसे ही पड़ा हुआ. तो when the first fertilization has get a complete, तो later on the second male gamete will get fused with polar nuclei. तो polar nuclei में क्या है? तो ये जो सेंट्रल सेल है इसमें दो हैप्लॉइड न्यूक्लिया है, तो हैप्लॉइड हैप्लॉइड. तो these two haploid plus this haploid male gamete they will get fused with each other, and one triploid cell has get a form that is called as primary endosperm nucleus. That is called as what? Primary endosperm nucleus. तो इधर क्या हुआ? That is called as second fertilization. Second fertilization किसके बीच में हुआ? The second haploid male gamete fused with किसके साथ? Polar nuclei के साथ और secondary nucleus. तो polar nuclei had two haploid male gamete. तो ये haploid haploid और ये एक haploid. तो haploid plus haploid plus haploid. तो total कितना हो गया? Triploid. तो one triploid primary endosperm nucleus. This cell has get formed. Later on this primary endosperm nucleus, इससे क्या बनने वाला है फ्यूचर में? फ्यूचर में this primary endosperm nucleus is going to produce a endosperm. It is a one nutritive tissue which is going to provide nourishment for the development or for conversion of the zygote into embryo. तो for the embryogenesis जो कुछ फूड चाहिए, जो कुछ एनर्जी की रिक्वायरमेंट है, that energy is going to fulfilled by this endosperm. तो ये endosperm क्या करने वाला है? Endosperm is going to provide nourishment for the conversion of zygote into embryo. समझ में आ गया? तो this is about the double fertilization, which is only seen in angiosperms. Which is only seen in angiosperm. After fertilization, this ovule has get converted into seed, and this entire ovary is going to get converted into fruit. That part we are going to study in next video. But the one part is remaining, which is important for 2 or 3 mark short note. Significance or importance of this double fertilization. What are the significance? तो significance में क्या है? ये जो डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन हुआ इधर कितने गैमेट इन्वॉल्व है? मेल गैमेट 2. तो both male gametes are utilized in this process. तो दोनों में से दोनों ही मेल गैमेट यूटिलाइज हुए हैं. Therefore this is the first significance. Both male gametes are utilized in this process. The first male gamete, जो पहला वाला मेल गैमेट था, that has get fused with egg and it give rise a diploid zygote. तो इधर हमको लिखना है in a first fertilization or in syngamy, one male gamete fused with egg cell, it give rise a zygote, and that zygote give rise a diploid embryo. Next step क्या था? Second fertilization था. The second male gamete fused with polar nucleus. It give rise a triploid tissue, that is a primary endosperm nucleus. It is going to produce a triploid nutritive tissue, that is called as endosperm. उसको हमने कहा है endosperm. तो ये हो गया third significance. तो here due to first fertilization again a diploid zygote has get formed, and that is going to produce a diploid embryo, and later on after germination the embryo is going to produce a diploid sporophyte once again. So therefore this process, entire process, it is helping in restoring the diploidy in the life cycle of plant. इसकी वजह से क्या हो रहा है? फ्यूचर में जो प्लांट तैयार होने वाला है, it also remain a diploid same like to that of his parent. नेक्स्ट क्या है? ये जो ट्रिप्लॉइड नरिशिंग टिश्यू एंडोस्पर्म बनने वाला है, it is going to provide a nourishment for the conversion of zygote into embryo. Therefore the zygote or this process embryogenesis will get a proper nourishment. उसको क्या मिलने वाला है? प्रॉपर फूड सप्लाई मिलने वाला है. तो दिस इज द नेक्स्ट सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन. व्हाटएवर सीड हैज गेट प्रोड्यूस दे बिकम मच मोर वायबल. जो सीड इससे पैदा होने वाले हैं वो क्या रहेंगे? ज्यादा वायबल रहेंगे. वायबल यानी क्या? उनमें रेट ऑफ जर्मिनेशन क्या रहेगा? ज्यादा रहेगा. और वायबल का डेफिनेशन क्या है? द एबिलिटी ऑफ सीड बाय विच इट रिटेन अ पावर ऑफ जर्मिनेशन ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. तो ये एबिलिटी, जो ताकत है सीड की जर्मिनेट होने की, तो उसका रेट क्या होने वाला है? बढ़ने वाला है. किसकी वजह से? ओनली ड्यू टू डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन. व्हाई? बिकॉज दैट एम्ब्रियो हैज गॉट अ प्रॉपर नरिशमेंट. व्हाई वाज इट सो? ड्यू टू ट्रिप्लॉइड एंडोस्पर्म. एंड द लास्ट वन, it prevent polyembryony. Due to double fertilization, in a single seed only one embryo has get formed, not more than 2 embryo has get formed. So therefore double fertilization is preventing polyembryony, means formation of more than 2 embryo. तो आज के लेक्चर में हमने देखा डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन. तो पहले डेफिनेशन ध्यान में रखना है. later on 2 steps. First fertilization, that is called as syngamy. This definition is important for 1 mark question. Define syngamy करके एक क्वेश्चन आता है. सेकंड क्या है? सेकंड फर्टिलाइजेशन और डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन. उसके बाद हमने देखा 3 मेन टर्म्स, चलाइजोगैमी, मीजोगैमी, पोरोगैमी. देन एंट्री ऑफ पोलन ट्यूब थ्रू फिलीफॉर्म apparatus. वो फिलीफॉर्म apparatus किससे बना होता? सिनर्जिड. Synergid play role of, or synergid act as a filiform apparatus. So later on the first male gamete fused with egg, that is called as syngamy. Second male gamete जो किसके साथ fuse हुआ? polar nucleus के साथ, it gave primary endosperm nucleus. And in last we had seen the significance of double fertilization. Is this clear? If you are having any doubts, difficulties or queries, put your doubts and difficulties in comment box. जिन्होंने चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल. Definitely in the future you will get a lot of information related to our subjects and syllabus plus different competitive exams in our channel. Thank you very much.